So I just want to tell y'all, if y'all don't have no cousins making y'all drinks that look like this, like the whole mariachi band in your cup, you need to throw your whole cousin away. Get you a new one. And that's just that on that.
As promised, here's my top 3 commenters. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really do appreciate it. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a mango margarita in honor of Cinco de Mayo. So if this is something you're interested in, keep watching. For my ingredients, I used the Pelon mini tamarindos, the elote chili suckers, limes, Lucas Ossaghetti watermelon, Tajín Classical Rim, frozen mangoes, Vero Rendos, chili spoons, dried chili mangoes, chamoy, and of course, Festa margarita cups. Also, bear with me on my pronunciation on some things. For the alcohol, I use Gloria's ready-to-drink margarita mix, preferably mango, but lime will do, mango puree, and a blender. Alright, for your step 1, go ahead and cut your limes, and then mix your Lucas Ossaghetti. Alright, for step 2, get a plate, put chamoy on it in a circular motion like this. Alright, for step 3, you will grab your cup, the chamoy plate, and the Tajín. You're going to go ahead and dip your cup like this. And then dip your cup into the Tajín to make your Tajín rim. Just like that. You can double dip if you would like. That's what I did on some of them, but I forgot to show you guys. As you can see, I missed some spots. That's why it's important to go ahead and double dip your cup so it's like fully covered in the inside and on the outside. Alright guys, we're now almost halfway there. Go ahead and grab your frozen mangoes, pour it in your blender cup. I did maybe a little bit more than half. Grab your margarita mix, pour about 8 ounces in there because you don't want it too strong where you can taste the alcohol. You just want it there a little bit. Then once you do that, grab your mango puree like I'm doing right now. I would only add a splash. You don't need too much because you already got frozen mangoes. So you just want a little extra oomph in your drink. Alright, now it's time to blend your concoction. Now you can add mango sorbet. I did this in a later batch and it's pretty good, but it's optional. Alright, once it's blended, it should look like an ice cream sorbet. That's the consistency you want when you're blending your drink. Alright, so next step is to grab your cup that you have your Tajín rim. Add a couple of drops of chamoy to the cup to kind of give a swirl effect to your drink for decoration. Alright, go ahead and grab the drink from the blender and pour it into your cup like so, and there you go. Alright, now it's time for the fun part, decorating. I went ahead and dipped my lime in the Tajín powder. I put an elote sucker in the drink. Now I'm adding the Lucas straws. Basically, I just add all of the candy that I mentioned earlier to the drink. I didn't have a particular way or anything, but it's kind of like time for you guys to freestyle. Do whatever you want to it. Alright, so your drink should look something like this. So if you reach this point, you are done. That's it. Enjoy the drink and enjoy Cinco de Mayo. Make sure you drink responsibly and you guys have a great day.
This is how yeah.